Imagine this. You're told your diabetes, a condition modern medicine claims can only be managed, never cured, could actually be reversed. Not through expensive drugs with debilitating side effects, but through natural, time-tested remedies that work with your body's innate healing intelligence. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. This is the untold reality of homeopathy, a 200-year-old system of medicine that has successfully helped thousands break free from the chains of diabetes. Our first stop takes us to the heart of Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, which has been practiced for over 5,000 years. This holistic approach to health and wellness emphasizes balance in the body, mind, and spirit. Here we discover Syzygium Jambolanum, a plant that has been a cornerstone in Ayurvedic treatments for diabetes. This potent remedy is derived from the seeds of the Java plum, a fruit revered for centuries for its remarkable anti-diabetic properties. The seeds are carefully harvested, dried, and ground into a fine powder which is then used in various medicinal preparations. You see, long before modern medicine came along, Ayurvedic physicians were successfully treating diabetes, which they called madhumeha, using the power of the Java plum. These ancient texts describe detailed methods of preparing and administering the remedy. They observed that Java plum juice, when given to patients exhibiting symptoms of madhumeha, had a remarkable ability to reduce sugar excretion in urine and restore vitality. This was a significant breakthrough in managing a condition that was otherwise debilitating. These ancient healers were onto something truly groundbreaking, and modern science is finally catching up. Researchers today are delving into the biochemical properties of Syzygium Jambolanum to understand how it works at a molecular level. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that extracts of Syzygium Jambolanum were incredibly effective in lowering blood glucose levels in diabetic rats. This study was a pivotal moment in validating the traditional uses of the plant. In fact, within weeks, the rats given the Syzygium extract experienced a remarkable 30% reduction in their blood sugar levels. This significant drop in blood sugar levels highlights the potential of this natural remedy in diabetes management. This study provides compelling evidence to support the ancient Ayurvedic wisdom surrounding this powerful plant. But that's not all. The synergy between ancient knowledge and modern research is opening new avenues for diabetes treatment. Human clinical trials are also backing up what the Ayurvedic practitioners knew all along. These trials are crucial in translating the benefits observed in animal studies to human health. A 2020 clinical trial observed significant reductions in HbA1c levels, a key marker of long-term blood sugar control, in human subjects using homeopathic potencies of Syzygium Jambolanum. This trial involved a diverse group of participants, adding to the robustness of the findings. This means that not only can this remedy help manage blood sugar levels in the short term, but it can also lead to lasting improvements in overall blood sugar control. Patients reported feeling more energetic and experiencing fewer symptoms of high blood sugar. The beauty of Syzygium Jambolanum lies in its gentle yet powerful action. Unlike some modern medications, it doesn't come with a long list of side effects, making it a safer option for many. It works by mimicking the effects of insulin, helping your body utilize glucose more effectively, and preventing those dangerous spikes and crashes in blood sugar. This dual action makes it a comprehensive solution for managing diabetes. This natural approach helps address the root cause of diabetes, rather than just masking the symptoms. By integrating Syzygium Jambolanum into a holistic treatment plan, patients can achieve better health outcomes and improve their quality of life. Now let's talk about Uranium Nitricum, a remedy so powerful that the father of homeopathy himself, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, documented its remarkable ability to combat diabetes. This remedy, derived from the compound uranium nitrate, has been a cornerstone in the homeopathic treatment of diabetes for centuries. Hahnemann's meticulous documentation and observations laid the groundwork for its use in modern times. Hahnemann, a visionary physician who lived centuries ago, meticulously observed the effects of various substances on the human body and developed the principles of homeopathy. His approach was revolutionary, focusing on the body's natural ability to heal itself when given the right stimulus. He believed that small doses of natural substances could stimulate the body's own healing processes. He found that uranium nitricum was particularly effective in addressing the debilitating symptoms of diabetes, specifically the rapid weight loss and unquenchable thirst that many patients experience. These symptoms, often the first signs of diabetes, can be incredibly distressing and debilitating. Hahnemann's discovery provided a glimmer of hope for those suffering from this chronic condition. Fast forward to today, and modern research is confirming what Hahnemann observed centuries ago. Scientists and medical researchers are now able to study these remedies with advanced technology, providing empirical evidence to support Hahnemann's findings. This convergence of historical wisdom and modern science is opening new doors in the treatment of diabetes. A groundbreaking 2005 study published in the journal Homeopathy investigated the effects of uranium nitricum 6X, a specific homeopathic potency, on diabetic patients. This study was one of the first to use rigorous scientific methods to evaluate the efficacy of a homeopathic remedy in a clinical setting. The results were astounding. Not only did the patients taking uranium nitricum experience stabilized blood sugar levels, but they also showed marked improvements in kidney function. This is particularly noteworthy because maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial in managing diabetes and preventing complications. This is particularly significant because diabetes is a leading cause of kidney failure worldwide, and this study highlights the potential of uranium nitricum to protect this vital organ. The kidneys play a critical role in filtering waste from the blood, and their impairment can lead to severe health issues. So how does uranium nitricum work its magic? The answer lies in its unique properties that target the root causes of diabetes. By addressing the metabolic imbalances that underlie the condition, uranium nitricum helps to restore the body's natural equilibrium. It all comes down to its unique ability to address the underlying metabolic disturbances associated with diabetes. These disturbances can affect various bodily systems, leading to the complex array of symptoms that characterize diabetes. You see, diabetes isn't just about high blood sugar, it's a complex disorder that affects multiple systems in the body. From the cardiovascular system to the nervous system, diabetes can have far-reaching effects that require a comprehensive treatment approach. Uranium nitricum, with its deep-acting properties, helps restore balance to these systems, promoting overall well-being and reducing the long-term complications of diabetes. By supporting the body's natural healing processes, this remedy offers a holistic approach to managing diabetes and improving quality of life for patients. Our final remedy takes us on a journey into the intricate connection between the mind and body. The mind and body are not separate entities, they are deeply intertwined, influencing each other in profound ways. When one is out of balance, the other often follows suit. This is especially true in the case of chronic illnesses like diabetes, where mental and emotional stress can significantly impact physical health. Acid phosphoricum, prepared from diluted phosphoric acid, is a godsend for individuals whose diabetes journey is intertwined with prolonged grief, burnout, or mental exhaustion. This remedy is particularly beneficial for those who feel overwhelmed by the weight of their responsibilities and the emotional toll of their condition. It offers a holistic approach to healing, addressing both the mental and physical aspects of diabetes. We often underestimate the impact stress has on our physical health, but in the case of diabetes, it can be a major contributing factor. Stress triggers a cascade of physiological responses that can disrupt our body's natural balance. When stress becomes chronic, it can lead to a host of health issues, including the exacerbation of diabetes symptoms. Think about it. When you're constantly stressed, your body releases a surge of hormones like cortisol, which can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels. Cortisol is known as the stress hormone, and while it plays a crucial role in our body's response to stress, excessive amounts can lead to serious health problems. Elevated cortisol levels can cause blood sugar spikes, making it difficult to manage diabetes effectively. Over time, this chronic stress can overwhelm your body's ability to regulate blood sugar, leading to insulin resistance and full-blown diabetes. Insulin resistance occurs when the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. This can result in higher blood sugar levels and an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This is where acid phosphoricum comes in. This homeopathic remedy works on a deep level to address the root causes of stress and its impact on the body. By targeting the underlying emotional and mental stressors, acid phosphoricum helps to alleviate the physical symptoms associated with diabetes. This remarkable remedy works by gently nudging your body back into balance, addressing the root cause of stress-induced hyperglycemia. It helps to calm the mind, reduce stress levels, and promote a sense of well-being. As a result, the body is better able to regulate blood sugar levels and maintain overall health. It helps regulate the adrenal-thyroid-pancreas axis, a complex interplay of hormones that directly impacts blood sugar control. This axis is crucial for maintaining hormonal balance and ensuring that the body's metabolic processes function smoothly. By supporting this delicate system, acid phosphoricum helps to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of diabetes complications. By restoring harmony to this delicate system, Acid Phosphoricum helps your body better manage stress and in turn, regulate blood sugar levels. This holistic approach not only addresses the symptoms of diabetes, but also promotes overall well-being and resilience against future stressors. A 2012 study published in Homeopathic Links explored the effects of acid phosphoricum 30C on patients with stress-induced hyperglycemia. The results were remarkable. The study highlighted the potential of this remedy to significantly improve the quality of life for individuals struggling with diabetes and chronic stress. The patients given acid Phos 30C showed significant improvements in their fasting glucose levels and cortisol balance. These findings suggest that acid phosphoricum can help to stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the harmful effects of chronic stress on the body. This study provides further evidence that acid phosphoricum can be a valuable tool for managing diabetes, especially when stress is a major contributing factor. By addressing both the mental and physical aspects of the condition, this remedy offers a comprehensive approach to healing and long-term health. The homeopathic revolution starts now, so there you have it, 3 powerful remedies that hold the key to unlocking your body's innate healing potential and reversing diabetes naturally. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Millions of people around the world are discovering the transformative power of homeopathy and reclaiming their health from chronic conditions like diabetes. If this video resonated with you, share it. Millions remain unaware that diabetes isn't a life sentence. Let's spread the word and empower others to take control of their health. Subscribe to my channel for more deep dives into the world of holistic healing, because your health revolution starts now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.